This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello everyone, in this video let's talk about Twitter hack. Now Twitter is one of my favorite social media platform, and I get to tweet a lot. Now when you join Twitter, or if you remember when you have joined Twitter, it will ask you to follow some certain people. It will ask you to follow 5 people to start off with, and then it will prompt you to follow more people. That is exactly the hack they have been following since then. And it says it is not about how many tweets you send, it's about how many people you follow that determines success. When users follow 5 to 10 people, they are more likely to remain as an active user. Now the hack here is that drive product onboarding, not around publishing. In Twitter, if you are even not publishing, Twitter is still growing, okay? Because they have the hack before the account is created. It is to do with onboarding. So any of your, when you design your app or any of the business model, if you focus on the onboarding, and if there is something that you can come up with any hack during that process, then you have done the job. Like you have done literally 50% of the job, that people will get engaged and will be active on your platform. Okay, so the result of doing that is 40% of Twitter's users use Twitter without publishing, and 4 times the number of monthly visitors do not log in, just read the stream. So you can see, even if they are not logging in, Twitter is still streaming and it is still growing. Okay, very simple hack, just thinking outside the box. Twitter hack, focusing on onboarding. That is all about Twitter hack. Thank you. I will see you in the next one, the next case study, number 4. Bye for now.